Therefore, it is extremely important that authorities communicate how crucial testing is and show how citizens can responsibly play their part in curbing transmission by reporting themselves if they experience COVID-19 symptoms. Hiding symptoms and failing to be tested will have catastrophic results in communicate, especially since reports indicate that our healthcare systems are already overwhelmed. Such fear and reluctance will only add to the spread of the virus, which has already taken more than 1500 lives in Pakistan.